Hi, my name is Sarah Webster and I'm the Global Marketing Director here with EnvisionTEC. We're a 15-year-old 3D printer company. We're happy to be here at the 2018 RAPID TCT event in Fort Worth, Texas. If you haven't heard of EnvisionTEC, we have the broadest portfolio of process technologies in 3D printing. We have everything from our sand printer here for foundries all the way to the world's leading 3D bioplotter printer for tissue research and medical manufacturing. But we're best known for our vat photopolymerization technologies such as DLP, which is a market we actually commercialized first in 2002. We have a unique spin on SLA, which is called 3SP technology. We're the leaders in the jewelry 3D printing and the hearing aid segment. In medical manufacturing fields like dentistry, where they require extremely precise, smooth surface finish parts. I really encourage folks to stop by our website at EnvisionTEC.com and look at some of the really great case studies we have of customers who have been using our technology. You'll see companies like Design Infini, which is 3D printing wheels for prototype and design purposes. Companies like Berlin Packaging that does bottle manufacturing with our 3D printers, and lots of other companies who are using our technology for very innovative ways. Thank you for watching.